Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you guys easy peasy how to see and how you can know the earnings of every channel on YouTube. So it's so easy to know that, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that fast and easy. So before starting the video, please guys subscribe and put a comment and like the video if you like it. So first step we're gonna use, guys, go to Google and please write this website. It's called Social Blad. This website, guys, we're gonna give it a lot of information about every channel and YouTube. So we're gonna give like an example, guys. Here we have double channels. We're gonna try the example of them. So this is Mr. Beast. You should to join to the channel, then copy the link on the top, then put the link here, guys, and click here search. So here, guys, this is all the information about the channel. Like here we have 723 video uploaded in this channel and 99 million subscriber and 16 billion views in the channel from the US, and the category, the niche, everything here you can find the rank. So what is the important, guys, on this is how much this guy he make on the month. So there is average, guys, between $98,000 and $1,006,000, and this is a monthly, guys. About the early is $1.2 million and between $18 million. So this is how, guys, how you can know how much YouTuber make just by this idea. So we can check this again and see how much he makes. Sorry guys for my English, it's so bad, so I'm just trying to explain how you can do that. I'm just trying, guys, so maybe with time I can learn more and more. So this guy, guys, he's uploaded 925 video on YouTube. He make 1.73 million views every month, and he make between $400 and $7,000 a month, and yearly $5,000 and $83,000 a year. So this is the tutorial of how you can know the earning of every channel on YouTube, guys, and I hope to like it. Make like and subscribe on my channel, put a comment, and see you guys in another video. Thank you so much.